2020 had been a trying year for all of us. The Union government's announcement of a total lockdown had brought the economy to a standstill. Towards the end of the year, there was hope for normalcy when the curve of infection rate of COVID-19 began to flatten to a considerable extent and everything seemed to be falling into place. Public places were permitted to the public, although restrictions had to be imposed from time to time. But a few months into 2021 saw the second wave of infection spreading at a very fast pace throughout the entire Indian subcontinent, and this time the situation became almost uncontrollable. It was then that various state governments had no other way but to impose complete lockdown. Meghalaya government's last resort to curb the spread of the deadly virus was to impose a total lockdown in the entire district of East Khasi Hills of Meghalaya, where most of the positive cases have occurred. Commercial and business establishments had to be closed, and this has greatly affected the livelihood of the people, especially that of daily wage earners and laborers. Almost similar to last year's lockdown, community wholesale markets were permitted to open in the outskirts of Shillong town, of which two are most frequented by town dwellers. This year too, the wholesale markets at 5th Mile and Madan Umding Pun in Upper Shillong have started to reopen in full swing, though daily customers are still low in numbers. This has once again boosted the enthusiasm of farmers who deliver their agricultural produce to these markets with an expectation to earn for their livelihood. While visiting these two marketplaces, it was witnessed that all stalls were occupied by wholesalers who were ready with all kinds of agricultural products to cater to the needs of buyers from Shillong town. Speaking to Media Plus, one of the wholesalers, Bante Jirwa, said that he was hopeful that the opening of these wholesale markets would help ease the congestion at Shillong's Bara Bazaar, that would in turn help in bringing down the spread of infection in the town.
Aduh, kadang kajing hiar, dendrai, apa kawan pat, kadika lockdown saya sian hang senam kau mentah pat, ngi kam kadon hi kajing kelah kendian, ngi bagi titu kibrio kibara juan ban thiet aki senam kau melek, kira sedang ya kawan wan biang sene sa, kadika yo hang ne po san mer, bat ngi kan ba, namar ngi kuah hi baga ban warak ya kajing pun kelot ya kasar. Bat ngiru ngimi kerandian watlah ka hakabede ba kam ki jam kala nang hiar hak senam boleh no bat wat ka senam ron rei ni sutu ba ka jingdon kam ka jongki nong chong chnong ki bahane hajan la sila dang ila ban penbiang ki tiar kitar yang nam ta jongki kan yarap sibun ki ba kin laj ban hiar sya ki yo ki hat ki jongki sya khamtam sya ki yodo mar baka kumbakalong mentang iba kada kajingpang kala lang tio hadok kata-kata terada kibrio kata kinang ya rasyo sa thi sa yodo da sia ka ra jingma ki bobon bat ka e ka bangi kwa kum kini ki brio ki badon chini ki thang ki jongi le ngai tharai lada ki kin la ya ka ban yawan ya ka ban ya thiet e pet nang ne kan pelak ya ki bikin hiar si ki yodo bat kan ra ya ka jingsingan.
On the supply of fruits and vegetables at the markets, Bante Jirwa informed that products are directly taken from farmers according to the quantity needed for a specific time period.
Begini gimana iba ki brio ki bawarra ki doni ki bawarra mentah sene ki marap ki jongki ndai ki tang ki brio ki bala juan ra hi senam ki bala no ki tang ki ki bawarra hadu ki ne ki singi mentah te namar ndai bede bagi brio ki ba doni ki marap teng mi bagian wan te dei kata ba namar ba ngiru nakaliang ka jongi kumkinong thiet no nong khayi ngi namla hi ban pediang lu dia kamar yung nong rep baro namar ba kumakalong bala dang isim ki mar yung ki chanungin penya namar ngim don ka jaka pengin penya tadi na kata kata lada don kinong khayi sa katu kanung ki bala ban penya ki mar kindon bentah ka jaka ngatharai kamar yung ginong rep lesi kan la ban poi khambuan hang ne jaka namar ngi sim tangkat kem ka quality ka bangila ban kat bangila ban perya ring imla ban cinta me kata kan.
One of the wholesalers in the Fifth Mile market said that, like last year, this year also there are buyers from Shillong. However, she said that she was hopeful that there would be an increase in sale as people would be shopping for the essential agricultural products from these wholesale markets since the one at Shillong has been closed for the entire lockdown period.
Macam senam te rangkun mah tak rang hek ayo. Tahu senam tak kam hek ki. Siwan untuk tak. Pun dah iwat kali erot. Le. Kita bukan dah hek chat tak tar long ada ke Jepang bang tiu ta long tak sui hak. La su tenat benar ni. Long Jepang ni nak kam tu dah.มันเลยบุญทันปุ๊บte Jepang ไป เครื่องโลกนี้